Hello students, good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying home to keep yourself safe from COVID-19. So, as in the previous module we discussed about the mechanism of monsoon, here in this module we are going to discuss about the onset of monsoon and withdrawal of monsoon. Ki how the monsoon comes to our country and how go back. So, as the monsoon, unlike the trades means trade winds, are not steady winds but pulsating in nature. Means the trade winds come to our country and they are uniform in their speed and the effect at different part of our country. But just different from that, monsoon winds are some of the places very strong, some of the places moderate, some of the places very less effective. Similarly, the monsoons sometime come very timely, sometime very late, sometime you can say early also. Some of the places monsoon reach you can say timely, some of the places monsoon reach late. So this way that monsoon is pulsating in nature, not uniform, affected by different atmospheric conditions. Because there are number of atmospheric conditions which we have already discussed in our previous modules. So that effects are observed, that effects are working on this monsoon. So on its way over warm tropical seas. The duration of monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid September. That means early June is the arrival time and mid September is the departure, you can say withdrawal of monsoon. So let us see first of all that onset of monsoon. The onset of monsoon, around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. When monsoon entered to our country on the 1st June, you can say, so that time arrival of this monsoon is increasing suddenly. Means with the arrival of monsoon, there is a very heavy rainfall occur. You can say downpour occur for many days along with thundering and lightning. So that is known as burst of monsoon and can be distinguished from pre-monsoon shower. Sometime pre-monsoon shower also occur, that monsoon have not arrived to our country, but then also in these areas rainfall occur. So that are referred as pre-monsoon shower. But when monsoon arrive, that increases the sudden rainfall and continues till many days with the thundering and lightning. So that is known as burst of monsoon. The monsoon arrive at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula generally by the first week of June. So as here in this map you can see the first June. So this area is touching the monsoon winds. Subsequently, it proceeds into the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. As this monsoon reaches to this area, so one branch is going from this way and one branch is going from this way. Means from the Bay of Bengal side, another is from the Arabian Sea side. and slowly, day by day, the influence is increasing over other part of the country. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days. So from this place to this place, monsoon takes around 10 days. Approximately 10th of June. This is a fairly rapid advance. The Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrive in Assam in the first week of June only. Just like here, this is touching here first week of June. That Bay of Bengal branch reaches up to this part and touching these areas on the first June or the first week of the June only. So this way both the side, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch, moving rapidly ahead. The lofty mountain causes the monsoon wind to deflect toward the west over Ganga plain. When monsoon wind reaches to this area, the Bay of Bengal branch reaches to this area, that deflect slowly toward the west. Reason behind this, here Himalayan mountain is there on the way, and these lofty mountain does not allow that monsoon wind easily cross this Himalayan mountain. So and along with this lofty mountain, there is a strong low pressure area attracting these monsoon wind toward this western part of India. And because of this, that monsoon winds deflect toward the westward side in our country. By mid June, the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon arrives over Saurashtra, Kutch, and central part of the country. Around the mid-June means 15th June. This part, up to this part, the monsoon wind reaches that Arabian Sea branch. So the effect is increasing, and up to the 15th June, that monsoon is reaching to this part, and from this side also, up to that time, the monsoon is reaching to this. You can say eastern Uttar Pradesh, or you up to the middle Uttar Pradesh also. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon merge over the northwestern part of Ganga plain. So over the northwestern part of this Ganga plain, both the branches of monsoon, the Bay of Bengal branch, this Bay of Bengal branch, and this Arabian Sea branch merge in this part. Then Delhi generally received the monsoon shower from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. So till the end of June means around 31st June, or you can say 30th June, the monsoon is reaching to this Delhi part. So that way this Delhi and nearby areas are receiving rainfall in the end of the June month, or sometime it is the first week of July also. By the first week of July, the western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, and eastern Rajasthan experience the monsoon. So by the first week, the western Uttar Pradesh, this western Uttar Pradesh, and these areas experience the effect of this monsoon and rainfall occur in these areas also. By the mid-July, the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and rest of the country. So by the mid-July, the monsoon reaches to Himachal Pradesh also, this area, and then afterward, this Jammu and Kashmir part are nowadays Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh part. So this way, up to this time, the monsoon wind reaches up to almost each and every part of the country by the mid-July. So after this, withdrawal of the monsoon. Withdrawal of monsoon means not withdrawing the monsoon or withdrawing rainfall. Withdrawal means decreasing the effect of rainfall, and slowly the effect of monsoon is decreasing from our country. So let us see. The withdrawal of or retreat of the monsoon is more gradual in process. Means gradual means the slower. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in northwestern state of India. Northwestern states. These 1st September, then 15th September, 1st October. So see how slowly the time is passing and the places are left by the monsoon effect. By mid October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. Northern half of the peninsula. The withdrawal from the southern half of the peninsula is fairly rapid. Up to this much part, the time taken around 1 month, 15 days. But from here, see 15th October, then November complete passing, and then December also almost half completing. So around 2 months is taken to end this process. So this way you can say the next half of the peninsular part is taking much slower the monsoon withdrawal. By the early December, the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the country. And this time, if you see, the monsoon is as reducing, or you can say withdrawing. This area receives good rainfall during the withdrawal of monsoon. When the monsoon wind taking little bit slowly the reverse direction, and the trade winds are getting effective, and these areas receives rainfall due to trade wind as they are coming from this Bay of Bengal region. We'll see these things in other module. The islands receive very first monsoon shower progressively from the south to north, from the last week of April to first week of May. The islands, Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are receiving rainfall earlier than the rest of the country part. So they are receiving rainfall not earlier. You can see during the withdrawal of monsoon, as slowly these things, the monsoon is withdrawing from the region. So that way, as the time passes, These effect of the monsoon is also decreasing, and by reaching to April and May, so these areas are receiving rainfall from this withdrawal of monsoon. The withdrawal takes place progressively from the north to south, from the first week of December to the first week of January. In these areas, by this time, the rest of the country is already under the influence of winter season. When these withdrawal of monsoon is taking place, so by that time the rest of the country is already under the influence of winter season, you can say, or you can say northern India is already in the winter season up to this time. Thank you, students, for today's. These much was the topics for discussion. So next topics we'll discuss in the next class, or you can say next module. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your days.